Oh, what a lovely day. I'm sick, as you guys can tell, with my boy. Skitty's in the shop. Big Al is over there working hard, and I broke my cutting edge the other day. I got that off, and right now I'm going to prep this thing to get it all welded back together. And you know, I had somebody say, hey, why don't you just buy a new one? And the reply to them was, that's $400 that I don't want to spend. And I've already paid for the welder. So let's get to prepping this thing. Let's see how this welder does. Hobart welder. That's it's probably a 1-inch plate. It says that this thing can weld up to 3/8, but we're gonna check the old gauge here. Yeah, 23.7 and 600. Let's crank it up to 25, and we'll put that line speed up a little bit, probably at 600, maybe a little more. And let's see what this thing does. 630. That sounds good. We're going to see if we can penetrate some of that and see what happens. What's the worst that could happen? I gotta get a new cutting edge. Well, she's good. Got some good penetration. I don't see why it won't hold, and I bet you it'll do better than spending 400 and some bucks on a new cutting edge. So I'm gonna bolt this thing back on and see what happens, I guess.